Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cross Street Classics. Back here at our 65 Mustang build. Our last video, we sandblasted under the hood here, the engine compartment, for some metal work that we need to do. So got this all done, and today we're going to cut out this apron here, the core support, and part of the battery box. We're not going to cut the whole thing out, and I'll show you why in a second. So I ordered some new parts from CJ Pony. Ordered a really nice driver's side front apron here. You can see the stamping's real nice. This is their, I think they call it a premium one. All the contours look good. Had a couple good reviews on it too, so that's exciting. And then I ordered the core support with the welded on cross member already, or with the cross member already welded on, because you can see both pieces were pretty mangled on this car. And this was another premium part. And then I ordered this battery box apron, and I knew when I ordered it wasn't the premium one. There were some pretty bad reviews on it, and if you look at this thing, this is just almost looks like a reject. It's pretty terrible. And if you look at it up here, this is all bent, not supposed to be. I'm not exactly sure how they expect a customer to use that part, but we bought it with the intentions of not using the whole thing anyway, so that's fine. So we're gonna cut out just along here somewhere, find a good place to cut. And that way we try to retain as much as the factory sheet metal as we can. So we're going to start drilling some spot welds and cutting some pieces out. I got my handy spot weld drilling tool out. We're going to utilize that and our body saw. So let's get cutting. All right, guys. So the first thing we want to do, I'm going to do all the underside stuff first. These strut braces are gas welded here to the cross member. I want to get them loose, and then there's it looks like 3 or 4 spot welds to the cross member to the frame rails on each side. I want to get them cut out, and then we're gonna go up around and cut this out here. Actually, we're not gonna cut it out. We're gonna drill the spot welds and get that all loose, and then we're gonna drill these spot welds out here all the way up, get this core support off. And then this side here, because we're taking this whole thing off, I'm gonna cut this out here like this, and then come back and drill the spot welds off of the apron. I got this piece all cut to fit here. Got it tacked in, make sure that it was fitting good up against the core support. Got my little clamps in place. So I'm gonna get this tacked in, get some holes drilled here to spot weld that, get this piece welded, and then we'll get the core support back in place, get this other apron fitted, and we'll be ready to get this all welded back together. Okay guys, so we have everything kind of clamped up, mocked up, fit. I got the battery box all welded in, and I took just a light coat of all metal and hit it real quick. I'm not the best welder in the world, so once I was all finished with it and ground it down, had some deviation in it, so I just put the all metal on. I like that stuff. Works pretty nice. So that part's done. So I got the core support in place. This one's clamped in place. I'm gonna go through and drill my holes for my plug welds, and we're gonna get this welded in. So we have all of our sheet metal in the front replaced, all of our welding done. We're going to just spend a little time with the grinder, dress them up a little bit there. All in all, we're pretty happy with it. Try to replicate spot welds as best as I can. Down here in these corners, I had to just put a bead of weld on that there was a flange on the inside of this that was welded, spot welded to the frame rail, but there's no way to do that. So we'll just put a little bead right there to give it some strength. So all in all, I think it come out pretty nice. Pretty happy with this. So this is going to be the end of this episode. Yeah, we appreciate the subscribers, appreciate the views, guys. I hope you enjoy what we're doing. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.